Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have understand what is JSX and what is JSX expressions. In this video, we have to understand how we can render multiple elements using JSX. So I make it comment first of all here to understand this. Now remember that I need to return a value, and here I need h1. Under this h1 I use name as an expression like this to display the value. I save it and we have the Dr. Vipin classes as an output like this. Now this is the rendering of simple or a single element, because this element will goes here, replace here, and it will display the information. So if I pass here one more element, like say I say span tag and I say hello, you see we have an error. So you see that error, it's using a Babel. So Babel is a library that convert your modern JavaScript code into the browser understandable code. So the problem here that Babel can't read more than one element as a root. That is a limitation. So here we have a two element as a root, you see 1 and 2, and we have read in the previous video that in a real and virtual DOM only one element can be passed to the Babel. So we have to send here one element, not a two or more than two on the same time. So for that, what can I do? I can add this all tag inside the one element, you see. So under the div I just put all these two. So single div, under a single div I can put any number of tag. I just save and I compile you. We have the output. Remember this. So we have the output. So this is the way to use multiple element in React, or rendering a multiple element, because two element are become two root elements. So it's not possible to send a two root element together to the rendering, to the Babel for rendering. So here we have to pass a div, and because the div is a single root element, so under this root element it will create two elements, h1 and span. Okay, so if we want to send multiple elements, so we can also use the brackets. So I am removing this. So under this I can use brackets. Similarly I did in here that in if multiple line I want to you can say display, then so I need to make it uncomment first of all, then I save it, and you see that I'm using this parenthesis. So we are using these brackets. Under this brackets we have a multiple line. So if we want to write a code in a multiple line, then we can put under these brackets semicolon. And if we want to you can say render multiple elements, so we should put all the element under a single element. So here I can put h2 and I say thank you for watching this video. Save it and we have the output, thank you for watching this video. Like this we may render multiple elements in React. That's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.